distinguished chief guest, respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my speech is role of youth in nations building. Nations building refers to the process of engaging all the citizens in the development of the nation. The future is when as the present of our country is in the hand of its youth. Youth is the time when innovative and creative thoughts and ideas pop up in the mind, which shape the community and nation we live in. The policies, plan and developmental work of the nation can best be implemented by youth. They are more enthusiastic and energetic, and if their potential is used in the right direction, they can ensure rapid progress. Distinguished chief guest, youth constitute major portion of the total national population. Around 25% population of the world is youth. Such a major portion plays a significant role in the development of the nation, and they cannot be ignored. The determination and energy with which youth can work makes them most valuable and capable citizens of the nation. The energy, creativity, enthusiasm of determination and spirit of youth should be channelized to achieve their progress in the field of science, technology, finance, health and education. Distinguished chief guest, if our nation is to achieve progress in the field of science, technology, finance, health and education, then the sincere participation is a must. The energy, creativity, enthusiasm and determination and spirit of youth should be channelized to achieve their progress. To ensure participation of young people in the growing economy will instill the feeling of patriotism and encourage them to be responsible citizens of the nation. Distinguished chief guest, the bulk of Pakistani youth is almost 30% of the whole population. Around Pakistani youth has played a tremendous role in establishing Pakistan. I would like to quote the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The achievement of Pakistan was not possible without the committed work done played by youth. This is a great tribute to the youth by the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. But alas, Pakistani youth was not given that confidence and responsibility since independence. That is the reason we could not do that progress which was needed these 22 years. In spite of the valuable contribution toward the process of development, they have remained unappreciated from society. Their youth have also remained excluded from society socio-economic decisions. They have been exploited in various sectors by their senior, and most of the time they end up as the lowest beneficiary. Most worthy chief guests, these are the pictures due to which our youth could not play a decisive role in the promoting society. Due to lack of basic facilities, these youth become a victim of frustration and even regulation. Ice addiction is the latest and most dangerous among these addictions, rapidly flourishing in the youth. Without guidance, support, and recognition from government and other decision makers, youth are often unable to use their full potential, which negatively affect their life and society. Government should empower youth by including them in the decision-making process. The participation of young people in the growing economy will instill the feeling of patriotism and encourage them to be responsible citizens of the nation. It will also increase their interest in the progress of their nation, which will lead to the national development. It is a vital to build the future of our youth by providing them education and other means for development. Distinguished chief guest, youth of today are ready to take risks, face challenges, and try hard to achieve their goals. Distinguished chief guest, Young people are full of ideas and infinite soul. And if their potential is used in the right direction, they can ensure rapid progress. Distinguished Chief Guest, to sum up, I must say that the Pakistani youth are committed to enough bring change with changing time and lead our nation to the utmost height. However, they should get motivation and support to deliver up their full potential. Thank you very much.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इमरान मुनीर साहब सासो ډېر مننه شکریا چې تاسو دلته تشریف راوړو زموږ د سکول او ماشومانو لا د پروګرامونو لا تاسو کوریج وکړو زما نوم محمد فقیر دی او د ګورنمنت بوایز هایر سیکنډري سکول جنګی سینیئر پی ټی ما او په دې سکول کې د زون سی ادبي مقابلې کومې چې په دې روانه هفته کې منعقد شوې نن اختتام ته ورسېدلې تقریبا په دې کې شپږ ایونټس وو په شپږ ایونټس کې زموږ سکول یو نمایه خصوصیت او پوزیشن حاصل کړی دی چې په هغې کې موږ په ملي نغمه کې فرسټ پوزیشن دی دغسې په قومي ترانه کې زموږ فرسټ پوزیشن دی دې سره په نعتخوانۍ کې زموږ د دې سکول فرسټ پوزیشن دی او سره په انګلیش تقریر کې زموږ فرسټ پوزیشن دی دا اردو تقریر کې زموږ دویم نمبر پوزیشن راغلی دی او په حسن قرات کې زموږ تھرډ پوزیشن دی انشاءالله موږ په دې څلور ایونټس کې ضلعې ته کوالیفای کړی ده او په ضلع کې به انشاءالله موږ مقابله کوو زموږ انشاءالله کوشش هم دا دی امید هم دی چې موږ به پوزیشن الو او دغسې د صوبې دپاره به کوالیفای کوو د دې نه مخکې موږ صوبې ته د درې په د ملي نغمه کې قومي ترانه کې تللي یو او پوزیشن یې مهلته هم په صوبه کې اخیستی دی او څه کال یې هم انشاءالله پر امیده یو ځکه چې د ملګرو تعاون او د دې حوصله خاص کر د پرنسپل صاحب په تعاون باندې زموږ تیاری ډېر زیات ښه روان دی انشاءالله موږ مطمئن یو او موږ امید ساتو چې انشاءالله موږ په ضلع کې او د ضلع نه وروسته بیا موږ په صوبه کې موږ پوزیشن والو ډېره